What's up guys, hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kernel. We know you've been waiting, it's finally here, and we're more than happy to announce that we've converted the ISHA indicator for MT4 to an expert system using our newly created framework. And because of this, it comes with a whole lot, including our newly created template file for 2022, which includes the most vital requirements for 100% successful automated trading. So guys, if you're new to automated trading, or you actually need an automated profitable trading system, or you need to send profitable trading signals to your Telegram group, then this video is for you. Alright guys, let's dive in. So guys, here we are. The expert system for ISHA indicator is now available on tradingkernel.com. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description for you. So before we dive into our terminal, there are quite some things I would like to talk about. If you don't know what the ISHA indicator is, actually one of the best indicators in 2021. We're actually using the version 8 of this indicator, so it's an indicator that gives buy or sell signal due to oscillation. So whenever the market is overbought, it gives a sell signal, and when the market is oversold, it gives a buy signal. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how everything works on our terminal, how to load the expert advisor, and then the rest of them. Alright guys, let's dive in back to our terminal. Guys, so this is our terminal. As you can see, we have nothing loaded up. We have our charts, actually GBPUSD on our 30 minutes time frame. We're going to take that down to our 15 minutes time frame. So you can see we have our charts here. We have nothing loaded up. So once you purchase the file from Trading Kernel, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below to purchase that file. It's actually a zip file. So once you purchase it, you're going to extract it, and then you're going to see different folders. Okay, so all you just need to do is to go to your file, click on file, click on data folder, and then you're going to see these directories here. So you click on MQL4, and now you're going to see these folders actually. So all you just need to do is to copy the files that are in relation with each other. Okay, so you copy the files in the experts folder in the zip file you bought into the experts directory here. Okay, so you do the same for the include files, the indicator, the presets, and also for the templates. So once you do that, you can just cancel out of here, and then you go to your navigator, and then you click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, you're going to see your ISHA indicator trader is going to come up. Okay, so all you just need to do is to drag that to the screen, and once you drag that to the screen, you're going to see your set values. Okay, so all you just need to do is to actually load your set files. Okay, so if you actually did this correctly, you're going to see your set files loaded up here because you actually pasted your presets in your presets folder. But I have mine in my strategy tester because I obviously created this test file. So I'm going to go to my tester, I'm going to click on here, so you can see the set files here. So I'm going to be using I'm going to be working on the pound USD, so I'm going to click on here. So we have our set files loaded here. Okay, as you can see that we have our set files loaded here. Okay, so now we have our set files loaded. We also have our take profits, percent risk, profit targets, and the rest of them. So we also have our channel name, the tokens, the signal name, you know. So this is for our Telegram. This is for our Telegram. So we also have other things which I'm going to be disclosing once we add our template. Okay, so once you just click on OK, you're going to get a notification that ISHA indicator expert has been loaded successfully to the screen. Okay, so now we have our ISHA indicator loaded successfully to the screen. We also need to add our template file. Okay, to be sure of what we're doing here, you can see it has loaded. So all we just need to do is click on template here, and then we're going to see the ISHA indicator. So once we click on that, you can see that's reloaded all over again, and we have our template file connected to the screen. Okay, so now here is our panel. It comes with a panel, a beautiful panel. So you can see we have our indicator, ISHA indicator experts, our open trade zero, and we also have our auto trading information, right? So this auto trading information tells us whether auto trading is enabled or if it's disabled. Okay, so if it's disabled, you're going to see auto trading is disabled, right? And then the next section we have equity lock information. Now this equity lock information, I'm gonna go to our experts advice. I'm gonna go to our properties, and I'm gonna change this equity lock information, right? So you can actually disable equity lock here, you can disable it here, and you can also enable it here. Okay, so once you enable it here, you're also going to add your profit target and your stop loss target. Okay, so let's say you have a profit target for the day, okay, and then you don't want it to exceed that profit target. You have a profit target for maybe your system, and then you once you get to that profit target, you want to disable automated trading. Okay, you just want, that is the amount you want, so you can actually set that as a profit target, and you can also set your maximum risk as well. So let's say in case you want to go for a vacation or something, and then you're not going to be available. Okay, so all you just need to do is to set your stop loss target, and once your account equity goes becomes equal to that particular value, or becomes lower than that particular value, automated trading is automatically disabled, all others will be closed. So the issue of accounts blowing doesn't occur, right? Because we want our expert systems to be as risk managed as possible, right? So we want them to be risk averse, right? So we actually included this here. So we also have our account information on the right section, right? We also have our account information on the right section here, which goes with our account equity, our account balance, and we also have our alert notification. Now this alert notification is for let's say you want to send an automated trading signal to your Telegram group once the indicator gives a buy order or a sell order. Okay, you just enable it from here, and once you enable it, I'm going to go to expert advisor so you can see our properties. These are inputs. So once you enable it here, you can see this is our channel name first of all, and this is our bot API. So I'm going to be copying the bot API from Telegram here. I'm going to search for, we've actually created we've created a bot. So we actually created a bot here, so I'm just going to paste this here. Okay, so you can see we have our token name here, we have our Telegram channel name, and also have our signal name. Okay, so once you do that, I'm going to click on OK. So it says ISHA Indicator expert loaded successfully. Okay, so once that's done, you can see we've gotten the Telegram signal here. That's what it says. ISHA Indicator has been loaded successfully in our group. Okay, so signal is going to begin shortly. Okay, so once there's a buy signal, it gives us a buy signal like this, and once there's a sell signal, you can see also gives us a sell signal like this on our Telegram group. So we can actually have signals on our Telegram group. Also mobile notification enabled. If you're using a mobile device and you're going to get notifications, once you enable this, once there's a buy order or a sell order or a sell signal, you actually get notified. This is in case you don't want to actually enable automated trading. You can just disable automated trading and then get the signals directly, so that you can analyze them and know what to do. Okay, so we also have our profit information. This is if you you just come around and look at your chart and you want to know what's happening. Is your profit increasing or is it reducing? What's happening? Okay, so we have our current profits if there is a trade ongoing, and then we have our profit status. Okay, so that's it about our trading system. Quickly going to load this on a strategy tester to see how this expert system performed. Like I said, we've actually analyzed this system. We didn't just convert it to an expert system, we also analyzed this system and built set files for specific securities to make sure that they are profitable. So in case you're using it and you follow these rules, you're actually going to become profitable as well in auto trading using the ISHA indicator for MT4, okay, or using our system. So I'm going to load this on a strategy tester right now. Here you can see that, and we're going to run this on the GBPUSD. Okay, every tick method, we're going to use this. We're going to run this from December 1st 2021 to date. Okay, so we're going to select today. Okay, all right, today is the 6th, and we're going to run this on visual mode. Okay, let's quickly we're going to run it on the 15 minutes time frame, and I'm going to be talking about this soon. Okay, so for our spread, we're going to be using a spread of two pips. Okay, so it is really essential that you have a broker that offers you lower spread. Maybe you can pay a commission per month or something, but you really need to have a broker that offers you low spreads. If you're going to the part of automated trading, spread is really important. I'm going to make a video about this possibly, but I want you guys to know that spread is really important in automated trading. It can really destroy your trading strategy if you have a broker that offers high spreads or really volatile spreads. Okay, so for the spread, you've actually integrated a spread checker function into our framework, and our spread checker actually checks the spread value, and you are forced to set a maximum spread value initially, which we have done, of course, which we set it at 5 pips for the spread value, and we are using ALPARI. We also use IC markets, which offer really low spreads. Okay, so if you're using if you're using a broker that offers you high spread, you need to change your broker and use our preferred broker. Okay, so we actually integrated a spread checker function that I stated earlier, and this spread checker function actually checks for the current spread value when the buy signal has been given, and if the spread value is above your maximum spread value, it's not going to take a trade. Okay, we've taken maximum precautions to ensure that your trading is actually as profitable or as successful it can be, taking all these risk factors into consideration. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this in a moment. Let me quickly load our set file, ISHA indicator for MT. We're going to be using the GBPUSD. Now for this set files here, I'm gonna make this notice. So you can see for the GBPUSD we have the 15-minute set file, which means this is for the 15 minutes, right? The AUDUSD is also for the 15 minutes, but the rest of the set files are for the 1 hour time frame. The ISHA indicator works preferably on the 1 hour time frame, but we optimize the pound and the AUDUSD for the 15 minutes time frame, and then we have our reasons. Okay, so you can see this here, so we're going to quickly open this up. Now we've loaded our set files to the screen. I'm going to add our token here, so you can actually see how our token works. Okay, so you can see, guys, where is our maximum spread value? You can see our maximum spread is at 5. So if it's more than 5, if we are going to use a spread of 2 years, so it's going to work. But obviously, if we are trading in real life, the spread is going to change, right? It's going to change, it's not going to be constant. So if it gets more than 5, we're not going to take a trade. Okay, the bot is not going to take a trade. Okay, so we can see we have set up. Let me quickly go to Telegram and search for bots. Okay, so I'm going to copy this token here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so these are I'm going to change this to ISHA indicator signal. Okay, in case you're running a Telegram group, all you need to do is to create a bot, and then you create a channel. Okay, and then you add that bot to the channel, and then you copy the bot token and then you paste it here, and you also copy the signal name. You can create any signal name you want, maybe your name, or you can write any signal name you want, and then this is the channel name. Okay, Trading Kernel, which is our company. Okay, so I'm going to quickly say okay, right, and then I'm going to start it on the visual mode. I think we have everything set. Yes, I think so. I'm going to start it on visual mode. I'm going to pause this group successfully, right? So I'm quickly going to change these templates to our default ISHA indicator templates. Okay, so once I do that, you can see we have Telegram enabled and mobile enabled. Okay, as well as we also have our API and the rest of them. Okay, so I'm quickly going to start this, and I'm going to load our system here so you can see our files. Okay, so I'm going to shift this back as much so you can see everything properly. Okay, align this a little bit further. Okay, so you can see our expert is running. We have our equity as 200 USD, we have our balance as 200 USD, and you can see the moment we had a sell, we had a signal here. Okay, ISHA indicator signal, we had a buy signal, and currently now we have a sell order. Okay, which we had the profits from. So our total profits now is about $4.65, right? Our balance is $4.65. You can see we triggered another order. It's giving the signals instantly, and our balance right now is 209, right? So okay, our balance now is 215 USD. As you can see, once we have the signals, we buy, and once we have the signals, sell signal, we also sell, right? So you can see we also have a sell order here. We have a name, we have the symbol, we have the time frame, we have the order, the price, and also the time, and it also gives us the current spread as well. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a sell signal. You can see our current balance is now 219 USD, right? So our current balance right now is 237 USD, and it's going up. You can see 241 USD. Our signals are delivering as they are supposed to on our strategy tester. Okay, so right now we're up to 260 USD, and we are still going up. This is in a month back test. You can see it's 100% tested, and as you can see, we have our strategy. Our orders are sending, and everything is going as it's supposed to. Okay, so you can see we have our open trades, we have our current profit. You can also see our profit is either increasing or reducing. It's indicating to us as well. Okay, so the thing about this, the thing I love about this expert system is that we have an equity lock where you can lock your profit target as well as set your maximum risk. We have our account information that actually shows you your account equity and your account balance as well. So I believe with this, you don't have anything to worry about with regards automated trading. Okay, it doesn't mean that you should go out and not forget about your system, just put it somewhere and lock it away. Okay, it can actually also help you, it can actually also help you learn how to trade. You can see, regardless of what happens, okay, regardless of our downsides, we are still trading, right? You can see we are up to 277 USD. That is almost about 40%, right? We're currently at 291 right now. So we are trading. This is about a month back test, and as we are trading, you can see the signals are going constantly on our Telegram channel here. You can see the signals are going constantly on our Telegram channel. Okay, so you can see we have our equity balance as 287 US dollars, which is not bad for a month, right? So you can see our channels are going. So it has strategy test has ended, and our indicator has loaded on the screen. So you can see our signals here. So these are actually profitable signals. They are not 100% accurate, but at least you can see that as we traded them so far, they were about 50 to 60% accurate. So I'll quickly unload our strategy report to see how accurate this system was. Okay, so you can see that we had an initial deposit of $200 over here, right? We had a modeling quality of about 86%, right? So we had a total net profit of 95 USD, which is about 45 to 50% of our accounts, okay, in the months. Okay, so you see we took a total of 56 trades. Our short positions one was about 42%, and our profit trade was about 44%. You can see we actually had a profit trade of 44%, but because we've optimized this system and we've set our take profits as at that 2 times our stop loss, which is 2x from our stop loss, you can see even with short positions, profit trades of about 44%, we're able to get a high profit target. Okay, so you can see our graph here. You can see how it looks. It's really good. You can see we made losses. Okay, so it's obvious we made losses here. We had drawdowns, but overall we came out successful. Okay, and that's how a wonderful automated profitable system is going to look like. So this is the trend we are going to take from now on in converting expert indicators to expert systems, and as well as creating our own profitable systems.